What's up? Welcome to another episode of Supercar Twins. It's your boy R.
And your boy LQ. What's going on, y'all?
Alright, pardon the glasses. Allergy season's been kicking my butt. So, we got this new little simulator here for you guys. And I just want to point out, this is not sponsored by these guys. We pay for this ourselves. We're not in any way endorsing them. We're just trying this out. I will mention we did do research on a lot of different brands, and this is the one we came across and decided to go with. So I just had to point out again, this video is not sponsored by Fanatec or Fanatec. Yeah, we pay for this. So most importantly, we got it for you guys, man. We got it for you guys so we can show you guys some cool stuff on the channel. So make sure you guys hit that like, subscribe, and comment. Please let us know what you think about the simulator.
So yeah, we had a lot of people that were talking smack about how they could beat us on the road and racing, so we're going to put them to the test and let all that smack talk go into action and see if they got it what it takes to beat me and Art on the simulator.
Alright, so stay tuned. On to the races.
Got pedals. Look what we got here.
Xbox.
Elite P1 steering wheel. Right there for you guys to see. We got the heart of the simulator rig. Here we got the heart of the simulator rig. There it is, guys. That's the heart of the sim rig. Last but not least, the chair. We decided to go with a portable one because we are beginners in this. So we didn't want to commit to get a big rig yet. We weren't ready for it. All good, all good. Pull it out the bottom so you can get more. It's like toilet in here for you. Alright, y'all.
So here we are, we're finally done. Took a little bit to set up, wasn't that long. Just had to figure a few things out. The steering wheel, we thought you would be able to put 3 screws underneath, but there's only room to put 1. So we only put 1. I hope it holds up, but we will see. I mean, I feel like with the aggressive driving, it may not, but we'll find out. Time will tell. So, setups right here. So this is how we're situated right now. As you can see, got some pretty nice textures here. Everything feels really good.
Alright guys, gonna do a quick firmware update because we gotta update it before we can use it, even if you're using it on the Xbox. So we'll get back to you once we're done with that. Firmware update completed successfully. Done.
So we finally have everything all set up, and we got the firmware finally updated and cooperating with the Xbox. So we got everything working with the Xbox.
Oh, it's backwards.
It's backwards, it's shifting?
Yeah. Oh, wait, I gotta really
So he's got the shifting backwards, everyone. Alright, so as you can see, we're still learning this, trying to get a little acclimated with the steering wheel and the Xbox. It's a little tougher than I thought. I tried it out a little bit myself. Didn't get it on camera because, you know, we were still trying to work out some bugs after we got the firmware updated, but now we're trying it out. Everything's working good. Steering's still a little shaky. Bit of a learning curve, I can see. Either that or we're gonna have to make some adjustments. But we'll see what we have to do. All right, everybody, I'm gonna get this a shot after Laquan just adjusted this. See how this works. So today we were going to do a simulator, but we realized that this is a little tougher than we thought. So really at this point, we're trying to learn and get a little acclimated to these settings and learn how to steer with this steering column that we have.
Almost. I'm figuring it out.
Steering on this simulator compared to watching YouTube videos and seeing other people doing it is a much different story. And that's something we are learning. And as you can see on the TV, finding ourselves a lot on the side of the road and not on the road. Or on the side of a building. This is happening more times than it should. But hey, it's only day one. And we will get better at this. Make sure you hit that like, make sure you hit that subscribe. Let us know what you think about in the comments. And hey, let's keep it moving.